one more short wiring video for you guys with the 1400s. I had these wires keep breaking at the connector, so I just shoved female ends on them and shoved them in there, and I haven't any problems. Actually, I think it's recharging better. I should probably do the other one at the voltage regulator too. But for now, so I got this wire here, your orange and red wire. That goes, well, I don't have them hooked up, but yeah, bam, straight to my headlight. So you turn the key on, headlight's on, right? I have no turn signals or speedometer or anything like that. So, but you can still use what I'm doing with keeping all that. So you also have this orange with yellow wire coming out of here. That's what I used to tap into ignition on power. I had it running through my airbox because I have all my wiring in my airbox here. Up here, orange with yellow to the orange with blue wire, right? It goes up to the handlebar. So this orange with blue wire runs through your kill switch. So, you know, kill switch on, has no power going through it. Kill switch off, you know, power going through it. And then it splits off into your start button and also your coil on power, which is all the orange and white on these bikes are coil power. So so yeah, you got it running up to the blue. I got my orange with yellow running to the orange with blue, and then it goes through the handlebars back to orange with white. That goes to, this wire goes to your CDI and also to your fuel pump, so it you know, pumps when it's on. And then I also have the yellow with green tracer running back to this is splitter up by your headlight. I utilized I have it running to the yellow with green wire runs to the yellow with black, and then straight to my starter solenoid, and then the yellow with red goes to the fuel pump. So when you hit the button, the fuel pump kicks on, but it doesn't really matter because it'll always run when she finally starts to fire. So yeah, there's no really good way to make a short video for you guys of wiring here, but if you just follow this, I'm telling you, it will start unless you have a bad starter solenoid or a bad starter or a bad switch. I'll give you an example. Turn it on. I don't even know. My headlights aren't working. Oh, it's because I don't have them hooked up. Duh. Right, so taillight's on. Off. Nothing. Rolls right over, so give her a shot and let me know how it goes for you guys.